guns, cars. We're doing shit out here. No way. No way. We should move over there?
No gathering of vehicles.
Oh, we'll move out now.
Okay.
Let's move out. All right.
Thank you.
We gotta move. Oh no. Well, that's a funny way to start the beginning of this video. Now to my left, I have an R34 GTR, Nissan's finest. Oh. You can literally see that the roads are damp. Yeah, no. Look at this, guys. We are on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-lane highway. 6-lane highway. That is absolutely massive. And we are in bumper to bumper traffic, essentially. It's absurd. It's absurd. I guess we'll never know what happened on this fateful Friday afternoon on the turnpike. Oh, is that a 300S? That's a V8. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really too well versed with Chrysler. I do know that they have like a Hemi version. I think that's their 300S. Oh, look what's over here. The Maserati Ghibli. Maserati Ghibli. LSA. It's a supercharged. Yeah.
Very nice, man.
Thank you, thank you. Oh, shit. Yo, that was clean as fuck. I'm liking this view. The Skyline GTR, bro. You ain't gotta be a JDM fan to truly appreciate this thing. What are you pushing?
Right now I'm on 13 pounds, so about maybe 320. But it was on 27 for 640. I need a bigger oil pan that it still boost. It hits like 50 psi of oil. So I'm afraid of it.
Right. Give me a rev. What about you? What about you? God damn! You quit. And now you. Straight? Oh, in here? Oh, I'm getting demonetized for sure. What's going on, brother?
What's up, bud?
How's it going? I told you I'd come out.
Woo! It's gonna be packed.
We're very, very early. We were actually able to secure some pretty good sparking, but look at this TRX we just pulled up right now. That is such a badass truck, bro. See, I want to have it parked up here front and center. This thing is absolutely filthy. Jesus. And I wouldn't normally have the ZL1 looking like this, but it's an exception. I live in Florida, so. Hey, what up? So this is the Camaro SS that we actually did a review. Oh my God. I promise you, I'm not cursing right now. This is the loudest car here right now. That's crazy. So this is the 6th gen SS that I actually did a video on. That video did really well, honestly. I compared it between my 5th generation Camaro ZL1, and basically I asked and answered the question, would you rather spend $40,000 on a 6th gen SS or a 5th gen ZL1? Go ahead and check out that video and let me know what you guys would choose. Now right here we have a Jaguar SVR. This is actually one of the coolest cars, and I think it's one of the few cars, if not the car, that had the V8 grumble backfire trend start with automakers. We're starting to get more people pulling up. Camaro SS 1LE with the chop. Oh my god, bro. Stingray with the Holly intake and a beautiful C6. This is the entire chop gang right now. Thank God I'm hearing chop and not the music in the back. This is what I want to hear. We have the 1 of 15 in the world N-Largo 720. What's up, dude? How's it going?
Good.
You saw the video, right?
Yeah, I saw it. It was lit.
The meat is starting to pick up now. We're obviously operating on Hispanic or Cuban time, but it's starting to get good, guys. So we gotta step away from the music, even though that's where all of the cool cars are. The N-Largo, the Supra, the GTR from earlier. We got one twin here and the other twin there. That's the shit you see here in Miami, bro. Look at the weenie. The weenie. I kind of feel like I'm at a fair right now where you have a variety of different cars, interesting selection of food trucks and other venues here. They're selling a dog. They're promoting the dog training as well. I mean, there's just a lot of things happening right now. Now we're talking, bro. Some LS action. This is what I like, man. 5th gen SS. I hear the nasty cam in the back. Generation Camaro ZL1. So I had a Camaro SS before. ZL1. Or is this an SS? Oh, it's an SS with a ZL1 conversion, but check out the Magnus and supercharger on this thing. That's also a really interesting topic that I really want to get into at some point. Would you rather buy a ZL1 that's already basically done for you, or would you rather just build your SS? Oh yeah, Bumblebee! Oh yeah, Bumblebee! What's up? What's up, brother? Stingray with an exhaust on it. Hey! Nice, dude, nice. Oh, we drove 2 more in the back. This is like a whole convoy right now. Here we have a 4th gen Camaro. This shit sounds absolutely insane. I hear you, bro, I hear you. Car right here. I remember when this came out in 2016 or 17. These were like 50 something, $60,000. Rev that shit. Guns, cars, we're doing shit out here. We're about to do some shooting now. No full auto in the building, bro.
No full auto in the building.
Clean. So what rounds are we using here?
These are 5.56.
I'm
Or
good, bro.
you can just shoot in semi if you want. Shoot it, bro.
All right. Hit the... Yeah, we're out.
Dead.
That's something, man. That's something, man. So what rounds are we using? This is not the bear ones, or these are the bear ones?
regular ones, man. This is 10 mil rounds. Shooting 10 mil.
exhilarating.
You like
dude.
that?
Holy shit! Holy. It's a good kick, but it's nothing like.
Nah, man.
No.
It's a nice gun, bro.
So when you have a big target like that, it's impossible to miss. But when you start to get to like the circles and stuff like that, that's a whole nother story. I don't even think I was hitting anything. What did I even hit? I don't even know. Rounds are really expensive, so everybody that's helping me out and let me try this out today, thank you guys so much. R35 GTR. Bro, this is the same color as mine, right? Like the same color as my Camaro. Kind of like a red. Wow. Alright, yeah. Bro, guys, we gotta go on one of these, man. Like, I gotta get behind the wheel or drive one of those, man. Yo. Okay. What would you guys choose? GT500 or GT350?
350. 350. Camaro.
Okay, yeah, we're not asking who has better taste. We're just asking if we had to downgrade, what would you choose?
350. GT350 because look, there's a man stick on it. And the GT500 is only a bit.
Okay, would you rather get an S197 GT500 or a GT350?
GT350.
You wouldn't get...
100%.
I would get the S197. I love that GT500. Bumblebee's back. Hey. Guys, I think I'm gonna put some money aside to rent the Z06 for a weekend, bro. I need to try the flat plane crank V8, man. Like. Okay guys, so as fun as this meet was, I am going to wrap it up now. Gonna get some POV of me leaving the meet now. What a fun meetup and rally, and also meet itself. I mean, this was a wonderful turnout. We got a great variety of cars, a lot of activities to do here. There was, places to eat, a cigar lounge, a shooting range if you're interested in guns and stuff like that. Shooting the weapons itself was a wonderful experience too. But most importantly, I think the car scene here was absolutely popping. Thank you Miami Streets and Miami Streets team and everybody that basically made this an incredible night. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next vlog. If you guys have found this video informative and somewhat entertaining, go ahead and hit the like button. It helps out tremendously with the algorithm. Guys, if you enjoy my videos overall and you want to see more of my content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. And last but not least, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. NSX, that's insane.